Studies show 80% of premature skin aging is caused by overexposure to the sun, and as many as 4 in 10 women seek ways to fairer-looking skin. Introducing Esthewhite and Estheshield, the complete solution to brighten and protect your skin. Esthewhite uses US-patented colorless carotenoids with highest concentration of phytoene and phytofluene from specially selected non-GMO tomato species. These colorless carotenoids lighten and even out skin tone by inhibiting melanin synthesis. They provide sun damage protection by absorbing UV rays, while also possessing powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capabilities. Esthewhite also has L-cysteine for enhanced whitening effect, which helps to prevent skin collagen degradation and also DNA damage and premature skin aging. Clinical research shows after 12 weeks of consuming phytoene and phytofluene, there are significant improvements to skin quality. Dryness and roughness are reduced, while suppleness, complexion evenness, and texture are enhanced. Estheshield is an innovative oral sunscreen made with Polypodium leucotomus, a natural fern extract well known for its UV protection properties. Estheshield prevents skin inflammation and inhibits free radicals in skin tissues, preventing long-term DNA damage and photoaging. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and prevents oxidative damage of skin. Estheshield is a natural herbal sunscreen that comes from deep within. Our unique formulation of Esthewhite and Estheshield is specially designed to offer you the complete solution to sun protection and skin brightening. Esthewhite and Estheshield are brought to you by BeauteScience.